Visual aids presentation. Charts and graphs. Charts and graphs are powerful tools for visually representing numerical data, trends, and comparisons. They condense large amounts of information into digestible formats that makes it easier for an audience to understand complex data at a glance. These are types of charts and graphs. Bar charts. They are useful for comparing quantities across different categories. Each bar represents a category and its corresponding value. Line graphs. These are used to show how a variable changes over time. Line graphs are particularly useful displaying trends like stock prices or temperature changes. Pie charts. These divide a circle into sections to represent parts of a whole. They are particularly effective for showing percentage relationships between categories. Charts and graphs simplify abstract data, making it accessible for decision making or analysis. Diagrams. Diagrams are another type of visual aid that can be used to represent processes, structures, or relationships between elements. They can help break down complex ideas and demonstrate connections or flows in systems. Types of diagrams. Flowcharts. These are used to depict process or steps in a system, showing how different elements are interconnected. For instance, in a business process, a flow chart could show how a product moves from product to sales. Venn diagrams, often used to show the relationships and intersections between two or more sets. They can help clarify concepts that have overlapping characteristics. Mind maps. These are visual representation of ideas branching out from a central concept. They are helpful for brainstorming sessions and organizing thoughts. Diagrams make abstract ideas easier to understand by illustrating how different parts of a system or concept fit together. Multimedia presentations. Multimedia presentations, such as PowerPoint or Google Slides, combine text, images, video, and sometimes animation to communicate ideas effectively. These are commonly used in professional and educational settings. These are types of multimedia presentations. 1. Text and bullet points summarize key points or concepts, allowing the speaker to elaborate verb while keeping the audience engaged with the written content. Images and graphics. These can break up text-heavy slides and visually support the information being presented, whether it's a photo, chart, or infographic. Video clips. Short video segments can be used to reinforce points, illustrate concepts in action, or add a dynamic element to the presentation. These presentations allow for a structured flow of information and can cater to different learning styles by combining visual, auditory, and sometimes interactive elements. Each of these visual aids helps to reinforce key message, engage audiences, and make information more accessible. Depending on the context and types of information being shared, selecting the right visual aid can dramatically improve communication effectiveness. This is it, ma'am. Thank you.